Hi everyone, this is Roshni from Bangalore. So quickly I'll wait for some time. So just message me here a few things that everything is clear, the voice is clear, and you're getting a picture properly and all. I just need the phone. So I'll just wait for some time and then I'm gonna start today's all the collection. It's all casual wear today, which you can wear it from home also, and lot more little twists is also there. Some muslins we have, some gowns also we have. So hi Neha Jen. So just type something that everything is clear and then quickly I'm gonna start it today. Hi Monica, hi okay, Inaya, Geetu, Joshna. Okay. So I'll just wait for some time and then quickly I'm gonna start it today. Just message something, then you're getting everything, all the pictures are clear, the voice is audible, the most important. Okay, yeah, all clear. So thank you. So I hope you all are doing good, and we are here in lockdown. It extended for another 10 days. So, but the courier is working. It's pretty well. It is working now. So you can place your order properly from websites, and a lot of wholesalers had come out actually. So people they started from home and they're selling it. So we are just working on that also. So if you guys anything need in wholesale, you can definitely contact us. Okay, no, it's not after a long time. We just came live a week before. Thank you for the stars. I got the first stars here now. Mamta. Okay, so thank you for the stars, Mamta. Thank you for all your love. Everything is clear. So today I'm gonna start, and I'll just give you some tips. Like every live may whenever I'll come, I'm gonna give you one tips which is really helpful for you. So end of the live, I'm gonna give you that, and there are a few more things also. So just before ending the live, I'm gonna explain all those things. So I'm gonna start today's collection now. All clear, fine. So the first collection which I'm gonna show you now is a cotton one, which is one of my favorite. The color is very nice. So this is we have 38 to 46 size and the price is 1795. I'm going to show you this piece now. So this is in pure cotton, so the cotton quality is very nice. So this is a bandage kind of pant, and it's with elastic, so this is very comfortable. Most of the people have complained with the pant, so in this you will not get. And this is a nice cotton dupatta. So this kind of print with the bandage cotton dupatta, the color is very pretty. This is little orange with the red mix, so the color is very pretty, this one. And the kurta itself, so in the kurta we have embroidery here. So this is embroidery kurta. So this is how it looks. So the cotton is very nice and the color is different. So this is a full set and the price is 1795, 38 to 46 size. So this is the first piece which is in cotton, and it's a full set with the dupatta and the bottom itself. So I hope you like this piece, and we have 38 to 46 size in this. Okay. No, we are taking order, Monica Garg. No, lockdown courier is working, so we are taking orders basically. So you can book it either from website or you can WhatsApp also. Thank you for the star, Rekha. Thank you so much. Jyoti, thank you again for the stars. Jyoti, thank you so much. Group. Priyanka, thank you for the stars, Priyanka. So the next collection is also cotton and which has a little different embroidery here. This I showed already. लगता है ना? नहीं क्या? Last वाला में. So it's a price okay. Yeah. So this is 1595. So this is a cotton one. So it has a golden yellow kind of color and it has a different tassels here in the front. So you can see the tassels. So this is a complete look of the. Yeah, I think there are some issues in the network now. It is fine. So this is a cotton one basically. So it has a nice tassels here, and it's a little golden yellow kind of color. This is again with the pant. So this kind of pant will come in this, and this is a complete printed dupatta on that. So the print is also very nice. So this is a printed dupatta for this. It's a cotton one, full suits with a little mustard yellow, or it's a different color chart basically. So this is a front look of it. It's a cotton full sets again. So the next one yesterday we have launched. It's a very pretty color. So hope you're gonna love this. The price is 1895 and the sizes are 38 to 46 size. So I'm just gonna show you live made. So this piece itself is so pretty. The color is very nice. The work is also very pretty. So of course you're gonna love this. This is basically a peach and pink mix up color. So you can see the work also. So this is a so this is basically a gota work. So people love gota work. So this is a gota work one. I'm gonna show you the piece now. And yesterday we have launched this kind of reels also, photos also. So this is a look of it. This print is also bande. It's a very pretty piece, and the fit is also very nice. So this is a complete cotton straight pant for this, and the dupatta mein we have gota work. So this is a gota work in the down here. So this is a pure cotton dupatta. Yesterday we have launched the reels of it, and this is only 1895 38 to 46 size. So that's how it looks. It's a pretty color, and of course आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ये piece. So I'll just read quickly some messages. Mother-daughter combo. It's little difficult now in this pandemic, but definitely I'm working on that mother-daughter combo also. Not clear. Okay. Is it clear now? Now clear? Okay, fine. So I don't know what's the problem with the network most of the time. It's not at all transparent. This is in cotton, but it's not at all transparent. So this is a cotton one, but yes, this is not a very thick cotton, but it's a very pretty piece, of course. Not clear at all, because here it is coming clear. Anyway, I'm gonna show the pictures also, even the videos also. So you can just, okay. Chikankari dresses, yes, it's in production. Chikankari cotton kurtas and the suits, everything is in production. So very soon we are gonna give it. Cash on delivery we don't have at all. The piece what I showed in the previous one, we already launched yesterday. The reels we have posted, the photos also we have posted. It's one of the pretty piece we have. ओके पिंक में आप अगर आपको बुकिंग करना है तो आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, या आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट से भी ले सकते हैं. Manu Bajaj, thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me. And Hina, okay. So the next collection I'm gonna show you in muslin. Green color. So this is in muslin, but the fabric is extraordinarily different, and the color also. So we have basically two colors in this. So this is a sea green color. So this color is also very pretty, and here we have embroidery here in the neckline. So this is how it looks basically, the kurta, and in fact in the border down also there is a border. So this is a muslin kurta with the embroidery little in the front, and in fact in this dupatta is also muslin. So you can see the dupatta. It's a very classy piece. You just can't wear it at home, of course, but yes, you can just wear it any other wear. And this is with the muslin dupatta and the muslin pant. So this fit is also very nice. The color is also very pretty. So this we have one more color. Both the colors are very pretty. It's a very soft fabric, so of course you will love it. So this is one more color. This is a pink color. So both the pictures also I'm gonna post it, so it will be very easy for you. And this is the same border will come here with the muslin dupatta. So the plus point of this piece basically is it has a muslin dupatta also. Basically we give a cotton dupattas and all, but this piece has a muslin dupatta, muslin pant and a muslin kurta. So this piece is very pretty. 2095 and 38 to 46 size. Thank you for the star, Neetu. So this is 2095 38 to 46 size muslin full sets. So the colors I showed as it's two colors, a pink color and a sea green color. So both the colors are very pretty. You can just check the photos and you can book it as per your taste. So the next one is in cotton, and this color is different. This is a little darker green, but after wearing it looks very pretty. The price for this is 1395 38 to 44. So it has a little work here. This piece we have with the dupatta itself. So this is a kurta basically. वो yellow kurta भी ला दीजिए, yellow वाला 850. So this is basically a kurta which has a little work here. This is how it look, and in this we have a dupatta and a pant. So this is the dupatta. So this is the dupatta. So the color is little dark, but after wearing it looks very pretty. And this is a pant for this. So all the pants made has elastic, so it's very comfortable. Yeah, थोड़ा size दे दीजिए. So this is a full suit, and we have 1395 38 to 44 size. So this is a cotton full suits. Thank you Vindhya for the stars. Thank you. One more name is there. Okay. So Neeti Bansal.
Vindhya and Neeti Bansal. And
Okay.
Kadol.
Kadol. Thank you, Kadol, for the stars. And okay, thank you for calling my collection so pretty, because you guys wear most of the time. That's why the collection is very pretty. And thank you, Aarti, for the stars again. So now the one I'm wearing, it's a very pretty one. Of course, it's a gown basically. And we have a pictures. We're gonna show the pictures also. So this is basically a dark green kind of color, and this is a gown which has a full flare also. And you're gonna love इसका price बता दीजिए ना. It's one. I'll just tell you the price. And this is a cotton one. The price is 1795, and the sizes are 38 to 46, right? Yeah, it start with S, but in this S is 38. So we have 38 to 46. I'm gonna show you the pictures also, but I'm gonna post it also. So this is how it looks. So you're gonna love it. So this is 38 to 46, 1795. It's a cotton gown, complete flare, and it has a nice tassel also. So these are the nice tassels in this. It's a cotton one, so easily you can just wear it like a single piece. 38 to 46, 1795 is the price. So now the next collections we have in cotton. I'll quickly read some messages by meantime. Light is too much, otherwise you're gonna see, because the sunlight is coming maybe, so that's why the light is maybe too much. Cash on delivery we don't have at all. Cash on delivery we don't have at all. क्यों like light off करना देखो तो कैसा है. Okay, Keerti Singh, I think the light is perfect now. So thanks for calling my collection so beautiful, because you know it's very very helpful for us if you write a good comments. Of course, it pushes us to more towards the betterment. Okay, bandage kurti. So the next one is a cotton one, but it's a different color again, and it's a different piece. On kar do. So this is a cotton one. This is in yellow color. So you can see the work, cotton yellow. This work is completely handwork, and this is a nice hands detailing also here. This is a cotton one, cotton full suits. Without dupatta. So this is a pant for this. Daily wears ke liye these are very very comfortable. This the price is 1495, and the sizes are 38 to 46, because this cottons are very comfortable cotton and very pretty fabric in this. So it's a cotton full suits, 38 to 46 size. So all the collection you will get the pictures also, and then you can choose it whatever you want. And I'm going to show you now one kurta, which you can pair up with straight pants. White straight pants we already have. White straight pants, shifly pants ka. So this is a kurta which is in bandage. A lot of people were asking me bandage. So this is a cotton kurta which is in bandage. It has a nice bandage border also in the sides, and little foil mirror work here. So you can see the dots on that. So little foil mirror work, and we have 38 to 46 size, and the price is 850 in this. So in this basically you can pair up the straight pants. So the straight pants are back again. So this is a shifly straight pants with a cotton. The fabric is next level, and you know this we have a pockets also. So this is a very comfortable one, and we have 36 to 44 size, white color, and the price is only 595. So you can pair it up with this yellow color kurta also, which price only 850. So this is a kurta which is 850, cotton one, but you need to wash it at home. Don't give it for washing machine. Okay. So now the next suit, white color. This is also very pretty, but this may we have almost 5 colors. So you're gonna love the colors. You can see the fabric. This is a Kota checks fabric. It's a cotton made. So this is completely embroidery, Kota checks fabric, and the bottom is also pretty in this. So this is a patchwork bottom in this. So this is the bottom for this, the cotton bottom, and the checks fabric kurta. So the kurta looks like this basically. So it has embroidery here in the front, and this is a cotton one, 1995, 38 to 44. So this is a little off-white color. It's a very very rich color. You know, it's give you a lot of time. You can wear it actually, be night or day, anytime you can carry it. In this we have beautiful 5 colors. So I'm going to show you the colors. This is a green color. So you can see this is all light pastel shades. So this is a green color. with the same bottom. So this kind of bottoms you will get 38 to 44 size, and 1995 is the price for this. And this is little gray color kind of, it's little ice gray, you know, it's not about ice blue, it's kindly ice gray kind of. So this is a gray color. And then we have a nice bright yellow also in this. This is a yellow color. And one more, we have a peach color. So this is a peach color. So all the 5 shades are very different. Whichever shades you feel that you don't have at home, you can just book it. And in this 5 shades are 1995, 38 to 44 size. So that's a very pretty piece with the pant itself. And one more design we have repeated. So this design is repeat again. Is the price tag? Yeah. So this is 1895, 38 to 44. In this, S is start with 38, M is 40 in this. But this is an anarkali one. So it's one of our best selling piece. So we are launching again. So the color is also very pretty. And this is little anarkali one. So you know, this is a different fabric. It's like a little line with a glossy, with the pants and with the dupatta. So this is the dupatta for this. With the pants, this pants are little lean fit. If your lower body is heavy, so kindly order the next size, because this is a lean fit pant. So I'll show you the pictures also later. So this is 1895, 38 to 46, right? 38 to 44. 38 to 44. Thank you for the stars, Ahmed. So 38 to 44 and 1895 is the price for this. So that's all for the today. All the cottons one with the anarkali, straight pants, a lot more things I have showed. So now quickly I'll answer some of the questions here. If you have, okay, Monica Goyal, thank you for the stars again. Thank you for so much. Okay, so cash on delivery we don't have. Either you can WhatsApp us, or you can just book it from my website, or we have all the franchisee number, you can contact them also. So that's how you can book it. So now the tip, yeah, so I'm gonna share it few of my tips which you're gonna love it. So the first thing, like when I do a lot of work during my home time or office also, I use this is called a gulab jal, but this is Banjara's gulab jal. I'm not promoting any product, but I'm just gonna share it because a lot of people have asked me, so I'm gonna share it. So this gulab jal is very good. You can just spray on your face 4 to 5 times in a day, and you will feel very fresh. So this is one secret I'm gonna share it with you. You must use it. And there are 2-3 things I'm gonna share it. Like a lot of people have asked me my earrings collection, so you can just type it. I'm gonna post it here if you guys want to see my earrings collection, or if you want to know the basic makeup what we do, or the lipstick collections what we have. So I'm gonna share it all that. You can just write on that. So what video next you wanna watch it. So I'm going to post it now, and you can just reply on that, and then quickly we'll make a video on that and we'll post it. So I hope that's going to help you a lot. And if you written policy, we don't have, we really don't have written policy, because our prices are very reasonable, so we don't entertain all at all. So the prices are fixed, and whatever you order, please check your size and then order. So it will be very easy for you. Okay, my earrings are too good. Yeah, but these are very pretty actually. So basically these are with the stones. So you can carry it in casual wear, you can carry it in party wear. So I'm going to show you. So you need to choose it basically, okay. So Nisha Yadav, thank you for liking my collection. And Guwahati mein hamara store abhi nahi hai, but yes, we do have in Siliguri. You can just contact them, they can always give you, and we do have in Siliguri now. Okay, earring collections. Okay. So now next slide mein definitely I'm gonna show you around 10-15 earrings of mine. And for ordering, I mentioned already. The one I'm wearing, it's a gown. It's already available in website. I'm gonna just post the pictures all after the live. And please don't forget to like and share my page. So kindly like this live also and share it. Ruchika, thank you for the stars. Thank you so much. You can order either from website, you can order from WhatsApp, and there are a lot more WhatsApp number also nearby your franchisee. You can contact with them also. And if you want us to order directly, you can just WhatsApp us at 944-841-3096 and 7676271096. Okay, so आपको इसका घेरा देखना. I'm going to show you now. ये just camera थोड़ा ये करना. So this is completely, यहाँ से दिखा रहे हैं. This is completely flared. So this is very flared gown. I'm going to stand and show, it will be easy. So you can just see this. So this is a very flared one, and this is completely ghera gown, and you're gonna love it, of course. And this we have 38 to 46, and the price is 1800. Right? So this is 1795. So you can just check out and you can just love this collection because this is a cotton one. So you're gonna love this collection, and this is how it looks. So you can see the ghera here. So that's all now, and if you have few more questions, I'm gonna reply you now. Audio, definitely I'm going to reply you. This is a negative removal mantra which gives you a very positive energy. I'm going to post the link again and again so you can just download it. Okay, yes, we do have a wholesale में sorted piece. For wholesale, you need to WhatsApp only one number, which is 8310498083. So that's a WhatsApp number which is for wholesale. Cotton doesn't shrink. See, 99% no color bleeding, no shrinkage happen. But in clothing, you okay. Monica Sharma, so many stars. Thank you so much, Monica Sharma, for so many stars. Usha Sethi, thank you so much for liking my collection. WhatsApp number, we already given WhatsApp number, which is 9448413096. One more is 7676271096. Those two numbers are there, which is for retail. Okay. So franchisee we have started in Chicago, but Dubai franchisee yet to start. Kiran Dingra, thank you so much. Thank you for sending stars and your hearts. Surat me right now we don't have collection at all. Anusha, thank you for stars again. Shalini Gupta, yes, I'm gonna share the video after the live. I'm gonna share the link without fail. Okay, so you're just gonna listen that. मुझे जो size आता है वो है 38. It's a starting size, so I fit into 38 well. So I wear 38, but please check your size and order. That's very, very important. And I'm going to post it now, and you need to choose whether you want to see my earrings collection, whether you want to see the basic skincare routine what we follow most of the time, because we have to put a lot of time makeup, and basically I take only 5 to 7 minutes for makeup. So if you want to learn that also, I'm ready to share with you, because these are not for the promotion. This is for actually what I feel, what I do it. So it took a lot of time for us to select the right product, right lipstick, right shade and everything. So if you guys want to know that, I'm gonna share it with that also. So you can just type and send it to me. Muslin silk mein, okay, so this one, the muslin which I showed you, it's one of the best piece, trust me. Both the colors were very pretty. After seeing the photo, you are gonna definitely love it. Neha girl, thank you so much. Franchisee in Ahmedabad right now we don't have. Okay, so most of the things I covered, I think. Okay, Rekha Sharma, thank you for sending me stars again. Which courier service? Okay, we do have a courier partner which is in delivery.com. So we have a delivery.com courier partner. Leila, thank you for stars again. Usha, thank you for your hearts. I love you too. Okay, Monica Jan, thank you for star. जबलपुर में फ्रेंचाइजी ऑलरेडी है हमारा. So I'm going to share all the numbers of the franchisee. You can just contact them. We do have a franchisee in Jabalpur. Jyotsna, thank you for stars. Neha, thank you for star. Okay. Pune, I do have franchisee. We are not giving any more franchisees. Pune, it's all sold out. So you guys, franchisee in Ranchi, I must consider actually, because we are looking for someone from Jharkhand side and Bihar side and all. So if you want, you can definitely contact us. And that's all for today's live. I hope you guys all safe, be at home, and keep liking my page, keep sharing my page. Thanks for your all love and support. Thank you so much.